Christmas is round the corner, and if you're looking for some quick Christmas decor for your center table or corners, then stay tuned. Today we will make this super easy decor with available items from kids' toys in just 5 minutes. So let's get started. Hey gardening lovers, I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Here I'm taking this glass tray and pouring white sand to it. When we think of Christmas decor, white, green, red and lights comes to our mind, right? So there goes a string of lights on top of that and goes these Christmas trees. It's a set of 5 and I bought it online. They're really good. And now goes these green fences around the trees. And now I'm putting a layer of cotton to give it some snow look. And now I'm keeping my son's Lego house. If you have any wooden house, you can keep that. Or if you have this kind of piggy bank, you can keep that as well. And now I'm putting these white color fence to separate it. It's all about your creativity with available items. And then goes these cute deer miniatures, which makes the entire setup so lively. And finally, I'm keeping my son's Hot Wheel cars with Santa in it, and it's ready. I have shared all the products links in the description box. You can check it. Do order this cute set of 5 Christmas tree and decorate your corners and center tables, something like this with your kids. I hope you liked today's video and this cute setup. See you soon in another video.